just got my new M1 Imac 2021 and I'll be unboxing it. Okay, so after this, I kind of just rambled a lot and no one wants to hear that, so I'm gonna speed it up and you guys can just see us unbox it in super fast speed. So this is the iMac I got. It's the purple edition. And so when I looked at the things, these are some of the specs that I chose to use. I didn't go with the base model because I wanted like the 4 ports, and then I also got the Magic Keyboard with the Touch ID, which is new I think. And I also got a trackpad because when I tested out the mouse in the Apple store, it was just too small for my hand. But let's get into it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. There's 2 arrows here, so
That's pretty.
oh my god.
It's open.
Let me just
Wow.
whoa.
Oh my
This
god.
is so light.
Accessories in here.
We're just gonna keep this right there.
Don't do
Okay.
that yet. No.
Well, we're gonna look at that later. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is a computer and I'm just gonna plug it in with my new purple cord. So in the past, I own a lot of Apple products, but this is my first ever desktop because of virtual school and stuff. Everything was getting really, my iMac is good. Let me start over. Basically, I've had a lot of Apple products in the previous years, but this is my first desktop. And over virtual school, my MacBook Air was heating up a lot, and it was super slow. So we decided to invest in the new iMac. Once again, I decided to ramble, so I'm gonna speed that all up so you don't have to listen to me. While you guys are watching me unwrap all of that stuff, I just wanted to put out a quick disclaimer that I'm super grateful for everything that I get, and this was actually my 16th birthday gift. I was supposed to have a party, but COVID restrictions and all, so this ended up becoming my present, and yeah. Okay, so I am going to be setting up my Mac. It's so pretty and I can't wait to see all the new features on it. Maybe I'll do a video customizing it and showing what's on my Mac. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll like and subscribe.